A few years back, I created a video and a CD that presented the idea that things are not always the way we think they are. In other words, what we believe we know is not exactly as perceived. In the Christian Bible, Paul's letter to the Corinthians speaks of spiritual things, but I believe it can apply to physical things as well. He says, "For now we see in a mirror dimly." One of the illustrations I used pertained to color. I used the color of flowers to help explain what I meant. In physics, we learned that white light waves are made of different wavelengths, and each wavelength represents a color. Usually this is exhibited in a laboratory by passing a beam of white light through a prism that separates the light into different colors. The same is true when we observe a rainbow, when the water droplets separate the waves of white light from the sun into various colors of the rainbow. In its simplest explanation, white light is made of three primary colors or wavelengths: red, blue, and yellow. Various combinations of these three wavelengths create all the other colors our mind processes. However, what we normally don't think about is that what we see and our mind processes is not the actual color of the object we might be observing. A person might reason that a green leaf is not actually green, but is actually the colors it absorbs. Green is a part of the spectrum that is reflected toward our eyes. So it is with all colors. The part our mind perceives it to be is the colors the object is rejecting and reflecting to our eyes, suitable for a mind process. The green of a green leaf is an illusion. Also, we humans only see a small part of the color spectrum. Many animals can sense the infrared or ultraviolet wavelengths as well. In the study of physics, we understand how we perceive something just may be an illusion. It is hard to imagine when we are obstructed by a rock that it is actually made up more of open space than of solid matter. It is just less open space than that of which air, which we pass through relatively unencumbered. So the colors we perceive for various flowers are illusions, but with beautiful, wonderful results. We can appreciate the variety of shapes. Furthermore, it has been shown that different colors create various emotional responses. Advertisers and decorators use these effects in their designs. Despite the illusions of creation, isn't it wonderful that a creator would pick one of the most restful of all colors to be reflected in our mind's eye, that of the color green.